everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix heating issue in Honor X6E. Watch the video till end and don't skip any step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.